Unraveling the mysteries of that and those. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on grammar fundamentals. Today, we'll be focusing on a topic that often puzzles English learners: demonstrative pronouns. Specifically, we're going to delve into the use of that and those as pronouns. Understanding these words will unlock a new level of fluency in your English communication. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the specific usage of that and those, it's crucial to understand what we mean by demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are words that replace specific nouns in a sentence, and in doing so, they point to or indicate those nouns. English has four main demonstrative pronouns: this, that, these, and those. Now, let's dive into the main part of our lesson. The magic of that and those is that they can be used to refer to singular or plural nouns respectively. The word that replaces a singular noun, and those replaces a plural noun. Remember that these words are used when the nouns they replace are far from the speaker. Here are a few examples. 1. I love the flowers in the garden. However, that, pointing to a specific flower far from the speaker, is my favorite. 2. Remember the books we read last summer? Those, referring to a group of books far from the speaker, were the best. To fully grasp the usage of that and those, let's work on some exercises together. Exercise 1. Look at that picture on the wall. That is my favorite painting. Exercise 2. See those kids playing soccer over there? Those are my students. Try to construct similar sentences using that and those as pronouns. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that's it for today's lesson, folks. We've unraveled the mysteries of using that and those as demonstrative pronouns. Remember, the key is understanding the distance between the speaker and the noun being replaced. Keep practicing and you'll become more and more comfortable with these pronouns. As always, happy learning and see you in our next video.